to MNR Creations channel. Okay, just follow me. Windows key plus R key to get the run command in keyboard. Type regedit, regedit. Enter. Then administration permissions will ask say yes. This is a Windows registry. First of all, while you going to modify the values, delete the values, or doing something in the Windows registry, first of all you have to take backup of the Windows registry. Go to file, export the registry, give the particular day date, otherwise give any name, give the path where you want to save the file, save the registry file. After taking the backup, you will get a file on the desktop. Just now we have taken registry backup. By mistakenly, if you edited any other values or deleted any other values in the registry, come to this file, double click on it, and it will be installed, overwrite it on the registry and just say yes. Otherwise, there only in the registry, go to import where we have exported this file and we have saved over here. There only just go to import and import this file, then registry will be overwrites. Means for security purpose I ask you to take backup. Now we are going to edit the registry. We have taken backup for security purpose. If you done any mistakes in the registry, then we can overwrite, we can import that, then we can overwrite the registry for previous Windows as like. In the registry, go to third option, HK local machine. In local machine, select software. In the software, select Microsoft. In Microsoft, select Windows. Select Windows. In Windows, select current version. In current version, select uninstall. If you drag this down, you can find whatever manually installed programs you can see over here, but some privileges I could not show you the whatever installed softwares in my laptop. That is what I am not dragging that button. See, you can go to down and you can see the softwares, particular software, whatever you want to delete the particular software, right click on it and just go to delete. All values will be deleted. If there is no folder here about that particular app or program, just right click on uninstall, just go to find, then give the particular program name perfectly over here, then that particular software, all values will be appears here in the right side. You can see that particular values with that particular software name only. You can select each and every value and you can delete. You can delete all values from here. Why we need to find and uninstall that particular program? Why it is not listing here means you have uninstalled that program in program file in control panel. That is what it will not appear. But that values are left in the registry. That is what we have find by the find bar, and we can find that values and we can delete. Now completely we can delete that particular program or particular app. If you like this video, subscribe and thank you.